kuthiwa hamba esikoleni. Hamba esikoleni uyofunda uthi hayi uMiss mina akangifuni mina ngikhathele ngisisihlinga samisi. Kunjani manje? Kunjani makusho? Kunjani makunjena? Ngiyabuza phela. Hamba esikoleni, hayibo. Hayibo. Hamba esikoleni yadodi.
Bayambuza utshone kanjani?
Hey, Wendy, hey, don't talk shit to me. You come to work tomorrow, there's a lot of buses. I don't care if they shoot you dead. You come to work. You understand me? Don't come here with your bullshit. You know me. You come to work. If they kill you, they kill you.
Chomi molo i-10 to 12 yintoni ngexesha elinjani?
Hey Kaka! Kaka!
Hey.
Ingene 350 yakho.
Yeah?
Ingene 350.
One. Black. Nitsenga nekhabisha vani. Nemazambane. Nitsenga 12.5 yempuphu. Ingasala angisenele man. Okay. Tsengani likesi lama black. Nitsenga nekodriki yenu. Ichichile letsela angathi ngotsenga ini man. Shisani.
Hayi. Wena mama bendizosho uba ukutya kwanamhlanje alukuthandanga. Sethi uba kokutya ongenanyama ndiye ndingakunqweneli xa bengafuna ukuphoxa. Sethi uba yinto ekumele uba ke ngoku ithathwa serious apha ekhaya uba ukutya ongenanyama kuve ngaphekwa. Ngale ngasoloko khona iqadi ecaleni. Hayi ndiyazi andisebenzi akukho nkxaso ndiyifakayo kodwa ke iminqweno neengcinga zabanye abantu ziyafuneka. Mhlawumbi ke ngoku ndizocreata i-family group enzela uba ilungu nelungu livele lize nombono walo. Kona lo wam ufinal ngoku kodwa kona abanye andibavani imintwana kodwa kona ukutya ongenanyama kona ngathi kuzoba yingxaka lo. Asikho Limpopo apha. Asikho saseLimpopo.
Ngoba ithe njani yona Limpopo? Hayi bo.
Uyawubona ukuthi kanjani? Kodwa lo muthi mangiwukhipha nguthi uma ngugcobisa uzongibona ngizoba mhle kanjani. Uzongibona dodela. Uyawubona umehluko? Hayi dodela. Uyawubona?
Niyawubona nini umehluko bafethu? Because aniboni nix.
Uthathelwe nepizza ke mntwana. Noko i-tray 1 izoba right for me.
Andifuni pizza mna, andifuni le pizza mna.
Hayi uze nenye.
Abhekana le triple angazi ukwenzakalana la abafundi. Kodwa Hotmani Chisco ucela Chisco. Nige Chisco. Apart from that thing,
Is dropping your car a crime now?
Pub, you bought your uncle a beer.
Nice surprise.
Oh my God, oh my food, don't talk to me.
Talk to my lawyer.
Hey, talk to Swap.
Kunini womile?
Hey, ngajabula.
Kunini? Kunini womile? Kakuthi tsara.
Hey, abantwana bamanje, they are way too clever.
Salukwazi ngosiyami. Sengishinje na 15 million abafana unblocka nonke.
Bafethu ngila King Shaka ngiphuma ukuyokwenza affidavit ngilahle parking ticket yami. So mamsachini ngitshela lapha ukuthi bashaya operation namhlanje. Bafuna abantu abagqoka ama-fake nabantu abaphethe ama-fake ukuyowadayisa. Mawuzazi ukuthi khona isikipha sakhe singekho right ungasigqoki namhlanje mawuza la King Shaka uzoboshwa.
Hayi.
One, two, go!
Haina chance. Hey man, which one? I can say it really.
I got a malume.
Malume. Eish.
Ayibona le ndoda ukuthi ngishikhathi umuntu imali baba. Imngesinye step. Asiqeke. Tani something.
I like your hair, dog.
Bless.
What's your name?
My name is TT the Barber.
TT the word?
TT the Barber.
I'll smash.
TT the what?
Come.
Ooh.
Whatever.
Baba. Mashlokohu. Siyakuleha.
Madlokovu. Yeah, yes, tourist just kodwa. That was today's video, bafethu. If you want more similar content, make sure that you do subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.